Hello teacher and classmates. My name is Adriana and today I will talk about macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is the study of the economic as a whole. It looks at big things like inflation, unemployment, and economic growth. One important concept is inflation. It's when price increase over time. When price goes up, money has less value. This means people can buy fewer things. Another important idea is production. A country is richer when it produces more goods and services. More money doesn't mean more wealth. Real wealth comes from production. Microeconomics also studies unemployment. Happens when people don't have jobs. A good economics try to reduce unemployment. The government and the central bank help control the economy. They use policies to control inflation and support growth. In conclusion, macroeconomics helps us understand how the economy works. It is important because it affects our daily life. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.